Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to install the line lock kit from LSx Motorsports. So anyway, we'll come over to the car. I got all the wrenches ready that I need. Now you really shouldn't be using these kind of wrenches. You should be using a flare nut wrench like this one here, which I know I got a set somewhere but I can't find it. So I'm gonna have to get by with those ones. But anyway, here's the solenoid, and here's the pre-bent lines that you get with the kit. It also comes with a couple screws to mount it, which of course I moved somewhere and I can't remember where I put them now, but I got lots of screws here that I can use. So anyway, we'll start here. Now this is the line you bypass. This back one's for the front brakes. So you move it here and here. And then the new line goes from here to the solenoid. Then off the bottom of the solenoid up into this, your ABS system. So anyway, we'll take them off. Now, you're gonna wanna put a rag in here. This brake fluid's very corrosive, so if you get it leaking on your paint, it can ruin the paint. So then we'll start by removing this one. Oh, one more thing. These got these little clips here that holds them apart. There was tape on it. I already removed the tape, so I'm gonna remove these. Okay, so I'll just remove this here. Rag stuck up in there, good. I don't know how much is going to come out. Seem to be too bad. So then we'll go up. I'll dry my hands here so I don't get it on the paint. So there's that one. Okay, so that one's out. Now, this longest one's the one you use for this will go into the top of the solenoid. Just snake it in here. Start it. I'll just put it finger tight for now. Still want to be able to move it around a little bit. So it looks like the solenoid is going to have to go in here. Of course, I got this in the road. But we'll see here. What I should do, start the bottom one. That's the old one. Question is, which end goes which way here? Definitely not that way. Don't think. I'd say it goes this way here. Okay, so we'll just finger tighten this. Something's not right. Camera stopped for some reason. This turned out to be a little more difficult than I expected, I guess. Not a lot of room to work. Problem is going to be getting the bottom one tightened. Okay guys, so we had some technical difficulties. The camera's battery ran out on me. But anyway, I got it all installed. I put one screw in here to hold it. It's nice and sturdy. No room here to drill a hole for the other one, but it's real sturdy, and I tightened these up, and I'll show you one thing I had to do. In order to get to the bottom fittings, tighten them up, I had to remove this, must be the connector for the ABS, so I just shoved a wrench in there, and it has to be pulled all the way out, and then it'll come right off. And then with that out of the road, you can see you can get in to tighten these up, so they're all tight. So I'll connect this back up. Now it was a little tougher to do than I expected. It didn't fit the very best. Now I'm not going to blame that on LSx Motorsports. It's probably more something I was doing wrong. But anyway, I got it all installed. I got these the fittings all tightened up. Like I said, it comes from the very back, goes into the top of your solenoid, and the original line went from the back to here. And then you put this one on. This goes from the bottom of the solenoid up into here. And like I said, I put one screw in here. Then for the power, it comes with it's got its own fuse. It's got the weather pack on it. Now your power connection is supposed to go. They recommend to put it here, but I couldn't get this off. It's pretty well seized in there, and when I was trying to get loose, this whole fuse box is bending right over. I was worried I was going to break it. So what I did is I put it on the top. Now the loop that it comes with, I guess it was probably about this size. See how it wouldn't fit? So what I did, I just took a pair of clippers and I clipped that, and then I just opened it up so it would slide on this, and I just fastened it down there. So now all we got to do is run the switch to inside the car, and it's just basically one wire. And once you find your place where you're going to mount it, you ground it inside the car. But the only wires you got to put through, I still got to find a place to put them, but I can disconnect this, so I only got one wire that has to go through. And I'll put this back on. So that just leaves one wire to go inside the car for the switch, and it uses a rocker switch, which I don't care for, but I'm going to be putting it in the ashtray anyway, the same place I put the manual fan switch, so to be hidden out of the way. I like it in there just so I don't turn it on by accident. Okay, before I go any further, I'll show you the camera that I've been using to do like install videos. I think it does a better job than trying to hold a camera, because it usually shakes so much when you're holding the camera. The only disadvantage to it is I notice when I turn my head, I gotta try to remember to turn my head slower instead of just turning like this. So this is what I use. I put this the Insta 360 Go. I mounted it on a set of old sunglasses. I just popped the lenses out of them. So that's what I've been doing the install videos with. I think it's better. I don't know, you guys can leave in the comments whether you think it's better or not. Give a shout out to a new channel that I found. It's a brand new channel. He's only got, like, I was his 8th subscriber. He's only got 2 videos up, but you guys, I think you guys should go over and check him out. Okay guys, so I got it all installed. See how all the lines are, and the power wire goes into here. Then your wire for the switch, I run it through here. Just run it. I run it inside here so it don't get pinched by the hood latch. So it runs down in here in the inner fender. Okay, so I run it in the inner fender, in through the dash, and I run it in through here, and I grounded it to a metal spot in here. Now, what I found out was there wasn't enough room in the ashtray for the fan switch and the line lock, so I moved the switch for the fan over here. So that's low, that's high, and then center is off. And the line lock I put over in here. I think I can get it on camera. So that would turn the line lock on, that would turn the line lock off. Anyway guys, that's the setup. It was a little bit difficult getting the lines and everything lined up, but like I say, that's probably me, not LSx Motorsports. But anyway, it's all installed, and because it's winter, I won't be able to test it out right now, but come springtime, I'll probably burn what's left of them drag radials, probably burn them off. And other than that, I guess that's it. Not too exciting of a video, I know, but it's about the best I can do during winter. But I'm happy with how it fit. Like I said, I struggled a little bit, but that could be just something I was doing wrong, but I got it to work after a while. It's in there nice and sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. The brakes still need to be bled, but I got to have somebody help me with that. Anyway, other than that, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.